the server god. I've been making waves every day like the surfer god. I've been in and out like the burger spot.
We looking like plankton.
Secret ingredient recipe, put us on mine.
I'm cooking up Franklin.
See it, you being obsessed with me out of your mind.
Look at your ranking.
G, it's becoming like chess to me. Same thing, no checking me. No, am I opening magic like sesame? Not my fault, you fall behind. Been about my cheese, my green, my bread, my buns. Payroll, pay 3 G's to recount it twice each, at least not once. Big bad wolf of Wall Street, that's not step when I let the breath out of my lungs. No cap, no duns, no more insufficient funds. I don't play, no I don't. I don't play, I don't play, I don't play. No, I don't play, I don't play. No, I don't. I don't play, I don't play, I don't play. No, I don't play, I don't play. I've been in and out like the burger spot. I've been making plans, making plays like a murder plot. I've been snatching tags, grabbing bags like the burglar got. I've been in and out like the burger spot. I'm healing the blind, I'm missioning. Someone tell Michelin, mix a bit chef and divine. They driving to visit my shrine, suddenly they can see fine. Got a glimpse of my shine. 24 hours a day with the cooking, I'm breaking my spine. No matter the time, they want what I'm serving, they forming a line. My method, my movement, the way that I do it, maneuvering through it is stupid, it's manic, it's magic, it's weaving through traffic, it's fluid, it's habit, the way that I saw it, classic. You cannot have it, touch it or grab it, out of your reach like I'm off of this planet. Got what I got, cause I built my own spot, so stop with the staring. Sharing is caring. No, Karen's a bitch, calling the cops, I'm blaring my shit. Being all rude, overbearing and shit, spitting the food like that's what you get. I don't play, no I don't. I don't play, I don't play, I don't play. No, I don't play. I don't play. No, I don't. I don't play, I don't play, I don't play. No, I don't play. I don't play. Yeah.
What kind of sauce would you like? Pull up.
I don't play. In and out. In and out. I don't. In and out. I don't play. In and out. I don't play. In and out. In and out. I don't. In and out. I don't play. In and out. I don't play.
Good morning, everyone. This is the Art of Crypto. I'm JR. Let's get my buttons right here. Boom. Good morning. How's everyone doing? What do we got in the chat? Let's check it out. LJR, good morning, bro. Finally, bro, I'm like waiting here, refreshing, and here we go. Light the fuck up. Dump it. Yeah, bro. For sure. Spark it, spark it. I'm gonna throw some. Good morning, Curtis. Good morning, Jesse Gluck. Good morning, Mr. Hickey. How's the music and the audio? Does the music need to go up? Does the audio need to go up? I'm just curious. Some smokies in the chat for LJR and Curtis Hill. Curtis Hill, gang. And then some lucky clovers in the chat for JR or for Jesse Deluxe. Sorry, bro. I was reading the comments. Dropping stuff. Losing a headphone. Okay, we're back. I need some nicotine. Do you know nicotine helps you focus? Science, bish. Science. Oh, okay, sweet. Thanks, Curtis. Appreciate you. Thanks, Jesse. Thanks, Steve. Okay, so I'm seeing a bit of upside, but not much, man. Not much. I'm just gonna change this to Bitcoin. See if I can find the chart I did yesterday. My setup got stopped. Was it Bitget or Bybit? Oh man. It's like you have to be in a different window to get your old chart, eh? It's so annoying. Just gonna try a couple. Nope. So if that was Binance, that was Bybit. Try Bitget. Oh, sweet, I got my old chart. Okay, yeah. Charted this last night. Got stopped. I'm just gonna drop a re-entry though, just so everyone knows where I'm at. So got stopped. Failure. Re-entry. Re-entry and a tighter stop. Like that. Then we'll play it to the bottom of the range and previous week low. Take profit along the way. Take profit here, raise stop loss to break even. Take profit here, raise stop loss to TP1. And then see how see how far it goes. Nice, nice. Yeah, so that's that's where I'm leaning. But let's do a proper overview of the markets. Check out the 12-hour. See, this is what alarms me a bit, is we're trying to come up now. I don't know if I don't know if this short's gonna play, but I'm going for it. I could see them doing anything really. Oh, VVV's back down here. Bro, remember how I said I was up like 3% yesterday? I got cocky. I got D-Jenny. I was shorting beat. And it beat the fuck out of me. I made 100 and some bucks, and then it freaking boom, God candle, licky. That's why I don't play shit coins. Once a month or so, I need a reminder. I've found. Hopefully not forever, because it set me back like 4 days, 2 to 4 days. I'm almost halfway back already. It's only been a day, so. But that's because I made 100, so the 100 like took off. So yeah, basically I'm down 2%. I'm down 2%. I'm not, but I'm still up overall. But I'm down 2%. Well, not overall, but recently. Looks like we're trying to make it up here, you guys. This might get stopped again, but it's a tighter stop because there is a top high of the range up here. Of a macro range, this bigger range, but we've been chilling in this bottom range here for a while. So do we break out of the little local range today and go up to try for this again? Probably not. So I don't know, I'm dropping this short anyway. Okay, back to this shit. Let's check out liquidations. How's everyone doing? I had a Christmas party last night. It was just like supper and stuff at a restaurant. It was fun. Ate lots of good food, had a couple drinks. Ooh. Lickies are still mid. Maybe they're being nice to people for Christmas. It's only 200 million lickies in the past 24 hours. We've been getting a solid 200 mil a day, but they like to do these 1 billion ones. I don't know. Either way, Beat got it out of me, that fucker. I hate that coin. Squid's D-Gen plays. Oh well, my fault. No one's fault but mine. I should have stuck with my Solana and my Zcash, because they've been working great for weeks. So we do have some liquidity right above us for the pickings. They might want to sweep it before they send it down. It's definitely in the cards. I'm ready for that though. Yeah, let's see. What's this at? 90? Let's see what Solana's is at. Solana's is at 120, 28. It's only 5 mil. There's 100. Oh, that's only 6 mil. Yeah, it's just a bit up top to grab. It's not much, man. This market's thin. Anyways, 128. Let's see how that. Is that in the range? Where's the range, bro? Oh, I didn't draw the range on this one. Whatever, it's up here. What? 146. Where's 128? Yeah, right. Just right here. Yeah, bro. It's not very far. What about this one? 90. Yeah, we're pretty much there. Right? We're pretty much there. Let me see this. I'm gonna go back to Bitcoin. So 90.65. 90.65. Oh yeah, so it's just like right above the lows. Should we do a wider stop? Try to dodge the sweep? Or keep it tight and re-enter up here? It's pretty close. I don't know. Let's keep it tight. I was keeping my normal. Let's make it my normal one. Because whenever I go too tight, I'm always mad at myself. Let's keep it normal. 1% price action. 1% of your account risked on the stop loss. Yeah. So that's 12 hours. Let's see. 3-day. Liquidity everywhere, Jesse. Yo, bad doggy. What's up, bro? He made it. Yeah, we're going to look at Soul, bro. For sure. See? It's right here. I was actually thinking along, but frick, man, I was looking this morning and kind of over the longs. Kind of over the longs, man. Those longs just ain't long. Just chilling. Doing a little top-down action. How are you, bad doggy? Put a sticky note on my PC for what? To blaze? You guys remind me enough. I don't need to. Trying to cut down. 42 mil. Lickies to the top side. That's a better number. Then we got 30, 40, 30. More to the downside, but the top side's closer. For a little sweep ski. Let's check out. Long short ratio. Oh, white bit's heavy short right now too. It makes me feel better about my short skis. Are they still heavy long? No, they're not. They're not heavy long anymore. This is interesting, bro. Because the longs just finished playing out and they were heavy long a couple days ago. For a couple days. What do they know? What do they know? Now they're heavy short. I don't know. All of these guys are heavy long. They're gonna get wrecked. Just kidding. Yeah, the 1 hour is pretty split back and forth. Let's see the 4 hour. Slightly heavier long, except for white bit. White bit's always an outlier. It's weird. Rashad, the crypto god. Welcome, brother. Welcome. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for showing up for some coffee. Coffee and some top downage. So yeah, white bit is net short. And everyone else is slightly leaning long, except for a couple that are heavier short, but most of them are heavier long. Which gives MM lots of reasons to go licky them. And this is the short setup for today. for this stream anyway. We got stopped in the last one. I dropped it. I actually thought I might get stopped too. I thought they might go for this. But yeah, so the weekend highs have been swept, so you can expect them to go for weekend lows more often than not. And then our previous week high, previous week low is in line with the local range, of course. And we're trying to short to the bottom. Let's check out some indicators too. See if there's any other juicy levels by us, like yearly ones or anything. I'll just make this quick. Turn Spaceman on. See, we have a yearly open at the top of this range. If we don't claim that, we're hooped. I think we're probably hooped anyway. Everything else is within the levels we marked. There's a juicy previous month low down here for them to come at. Oh, there's a previous month mid here. Where's previous month high, bro? Wow, up here. Yeah, good luck. I wouldn't even look at that shit until we claim the mid. The mid of these white lines. Right here. We'll throw a dot line here. Just so we know. Throw a dashed line, I mean. We'll make it white because it's a macro. There. Need to claim that. To even get slightly bullish. But first we got to get through the previous week high, then we got to get through this yearly open and range high, and then we got to get through the previous month mid to even consider any what's it called? Bull hockey? Bull tacky? Whatever they used to say. I don't know, something funny. See. Oh, Melissa One Love in the house. Good morning, Melissa. Thanks for showing up. I appreciate you. How is your Christmas, pre-Christmas, leading up to Christmas week going? Hope everything's well. Hope you got all your presents and everything in order. I got 7 beautiful viewers. I'm basically a superstar. Just kidding. Just 7 nerds hanging out, eh? Having coffee, doing some charting. I like it. So let's do a top down of these oscillators. Start at the daily, or should we start at 3-day? Yeah, we'll start at the 3-day just to see that it's done barely nothing. And we still have lots of room to the upside, but it's not upsiding. But it could. Just takes a while. So anyways, it's trying. It is trying. Let's check out the daily. Daily. Right here. Ooh, greasy. We're getting clipping. The moving average actually is slowing. It's starting to slightly curve. So my short could get stopped, and we could just go to the moon, guys. You never know. Or maybe we get a greasy pullback, freak everyone out, and then moon mission. Who knows? But this looks good for, like, there's a lot of upside, bro. It is a higher low. And clipping. But time will tell, right? Let's check out the, ooh, greasy little flippage of the moving average. Yeah, that's right. It's not quantity, but quality. Exactly, brother. Exactly. Yeah, bro. Look, what if we get stopped live? Just kidding. We might get stopped live. But anyway, so that's that one. Let's check out the 8 hour. Oh, it looks so greasy. Look at it go. Look at that moving average go. It's making an effort. But we are at the top of this 70 line on the stochastic. Usually we can go up here, rarely, but we can see. Sometimes we go up there to those power bars, but more often than not, 100 is usually the turning point, which is still a little ways away. We're at 75, so 100 would be up here. And then sometimes it'll tap these power bars in extreme case scenarios. Check out the 6 hour or the 4 hour. Fuck it, I don't want to make a new time frame. Clipping on the 4 hour, you guys. Clipping on the 4 hour. Moving average getting topped out here. Let's just go back and see. Yeah. Could go a little higher. Just a smidge. Oops. 2 hour. Clipping. Moving average turned up still. Yeah, we could sweep the highs, you guys. Could sweep the highs. Just these local highs, eh? Just red line, basically. And then we could get up here. I don't see much more than that, though. I'm just gonna put that there. I'm gonna make it a weird color, too, so I don't get confused with my levels. So I do a re-entry on the short there, honestly. Around there. It's a long, bro. You re-enter the short if we get stopped. Good re-entry would probably be around there. Something like that. If the other one gets stopped. Hope it doesn't. I hope it doesn't. Now let's check out the 1 hour. Then we'll go check out Solana. Yeah, candles are getting smaller. Clipping. We got clipping on multiple time frames. It's a good sign for reversal. Doesn't mean it has to. Just means it's a high probability. Yeah, even a pullback, eh? I'm excited for New York, man. This weekend price action was so boring. New York's gonna wake things up. You could tell even last night as soon as the Asia woke up. You could just tell the liquidity just entered the market. Started getting decent moves and stuff. That was nice. See, clipping? Could be making a bear div right now. This will be a higher high. It'll be a lower high on the oscillator. And then we'll get one of these. Go from here to here. And then hopefully she tanks for our shorts. Yeah, I'm leaning that way. See, I want, the wicks are nice. I'd just like to see these candles get smaller. Rashad the crypto god. Let's check out this moving average. Oh, this is rolling over. That's cool. Same thing, bear div. Incoming. Potentially, probably, hopefully. And hopefully there's short prints, baby, print. Now let's check out Solana. A lot more going on here. Why doesn't this Elliott wave count work? What's up with that? It's supposed to do it. Let's see if we change time frame. Oh, there's some. It's kind of a shitty count though. It's not horrible, I guess. So what comes next? I want to see what comes next. Show me that. Piece of shit. Here we go. That'd be good for a short. For that short I dropped. Bam! That's what Daddy wants to see. But I haven't tested this. I'm just testing it right now, kind of. So let's do a little testy test right now. Get the path. Where's the path? So this happened. Stop clicking. Okay, there. Now let's try another one. Just for the second blue line. Let's just do a test. Let's see how accurate this is. Oh, why didn't it drop it, bro? Drop it like it's hot. Please drop it like it's hot. There. Okay, so we're testing this Elliott wave indicator by TradingView. See how that goes. We'll check on that tonight for Asia and tomorrow morning. Luke, good morning, bro, or good evening, I should say. Elliott waves are boss, bro. Yeah, I'm learning Elliott waves. I've seen two really good Elliott wave traders call tops and bottoms when no one else seen it coming, just because they're epic Elliott wave masters. So that makes me think I want to be an Elliott wave master. So yeah, I've been studying it lightly, casually, and then testing out that indicator to see if I can be lazy and how good the indicator is. And then yeah, checking that out. Let's mark some levels here. We'll just mark some levels old school by hand. So we'll go to the monthly just to help anyone that's new so they know how to do stuff without indicators. Indicators are time management, but you should know how they got their information and what they're doing so that you can comprehend it. So yeah, let's do our previous month high and low. I do them in white. So this is the month we're on. So I'll go to the previous month. I'll make them white because I make my monthly ones white. Now previous month low. Adjust that a smidge. There. Okay, let's do previous week, high and low. Oh, way down there. We can't even claim the mid here, bro. This looks so sad. Okay, anyways, this is why you mark them, so you get an idea of where price is in relation to where it's been. We'll make this one red, so we don't get confused. There, previous, this one's off a smidge. Previous week, high and low. Now we'll do previous day, high and low. SHADY Sederson in the house. Good morning, brother. Drop some anchors in the chat. Oh, and Melissa One Love. I gotta drop some manifesting emojis in the chat for Melissa One Love. Sorry, guys. Just waking up. Boom. Good vibes always. And some anchor gang emojis in the chat. Me and all sets or All Set and I's favorite free tool, Anchored VWAP. Just dropped an Anchored VWAP. Check out the Anchored VWAP video, please. Like and all that stuff. Pump the algo. Help me pump that algo, please. Anchored gang. Yeah. Good morning, All Set. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming to chill, chart, coffee, smoking a pancake. So we'll do previous day high. We're above that, so that's good. Previous day high. We'll make this orange because it's beside red, just to make it easy breezy. There. I think that's good. Yeah. Pretty good. Yeah, I like it. Okay. So that's how you mark your previous month, previous week, previous day levels. Just the candle before the one that you're on. You mark the high and low off the wicks. Shout out to the wicks. Yeah. So right now it's trying to be bullish, but I'm still looking for a short. Ooh, look at this juicy daily bull div that just won't do what it's supposed to do. Let's see. Let's top down Solana here too. I want to check on this MACD. Chart prime normalized MACD. So like when the cloud's down here, you could look for longs. And when the cloud is up here, you can look for shorts. Typically. We could test it right now. We'll put a line here. Vertical there. Vertical there. Vertical when it was at the bottom. Vertical when it was at the bottom. And we'll make these ones green because they're at the bottom. We'd be looking for longs. And we'll make the ones at the top red because we'd be looking for shorts. Now let's see how they did. Just for curiosity, eh? Let's see how the old MACD did. Well, this one would have been a little pump. You would have got 1-to-1, easy 1-to-1. This is on the 12-hour too. Easy 1-to-1. You would have took profit. You would have got stop break even. This one you would have got some out of the 8 right there. And if you took 1-to-1 and tightened your stop loss, you would have got stopped. But you could have re-entered on this wick because it's like a rejection or whatever. I don't know. But or if you would have just stayed in it, you would have printed hard as fuck. Till the MACD got to the bottom. From the top to the bottom. Printing. Now this one, MACD was at the top. Printing. And then this one, MACD was at the bottom. Printing. So yeah, MACD for the win. Just one layer of confluence you can add to your trading strategy of choice if you choose to. So yeah, let's keep top down in this 8-hour. Let's see where we're at. See, we're still at the bottom side of the MACD here. We want this to be up here typically, but that's a big time frame. My short's just for the day or two. We're at the top end on this. We're approaching the top end on this. MACD not quite crossed over the 50 line. See, on the 2-hour, the MACD's reaching up here towards the high end. Oscillator on the high end. RSI. It's actually at the high end. It's at 70. I changed mine to 80 and 20 just to get further extremes so I don't jump in too soon. So I'm a little more cautious. Check out the 1-hour. Oh yeah, I'm ready. I promised myself I'd be a consistently profitable day trader for my Christmas present to myself. And I think I am bang on achieving that. So, me likey. We got some hiddens, but my look back's a little far, so they might be kind of shady. But still hiddens. And we're getting to the top end. Power bars are glowing. Ooh, baby. It's the 1 hour. Let's check out the half hour. See, we're approaching this 80 line. We usually get a rejection shortly after that. Power bars glowing. I think they're starting to dim. MACD's at the high end. Not extreme high end, but high end nonetheless. Probably be a good, not a horrible idea to wait for these candles to start going light green. See how they go light on the reversal? And the waves at the bottom, plus these candles are going light. That was a week long though. Look at these longs there, it's not long. It would have worked though. Just a little guy though. Same with down here. Candles going light. Tiny candles on the RSI. Bull div. That's 3 good reasons to try along there. That would have worked great. So you almost want to see the opposite. You want to see tiny candles here. Maybe a bear div. Not always, but clipping usually is good. See how it was clipping? Then we got the bull div. Clipping, bull div. So you almost want clipping here. But whatever. Short's starting to print. I hope it keeps printing. What time is it? 5:30. Yeah, we can get a little printage. MACD top end. No light candles yet. Let's check the 15 minute. Just to zoom in. I'll get rid of this too. Sometimes if you go down to these smaller time frames, you can see the signs of these things changing ahead of time. Like see the tiny candles. See the oscillator rolling over? It's curving over. Like it just doesn't have strength. Like this, see the strength? Bam! Not seeing that here. It's looking kind of weak. Check out the MACD, Chart Prime MACD, shout out to Chart Prime, free indicator. This is a MACD normalized, it's free indicator. We got our a little bit light, and then now clouds turning, and it's still pretty light, but we should get even lighter here soon. Oh yeah, look at that baby go. Check my shorts. It's irresponsible of me not to check them. This one needs a little help. There you go, buddy. Whoa, Zcash long, bro. Printing. I gotta take profit. Good thing I checked. Let's go. Take a nibble. Quickest $1.25 I ever made. $2 now. Short is almost in profit. Solana short's almost in profit. Zec short not in profit yet. Cool. Yeah, dump, baby, dump. Let's see how this one's doing. Nice, look at that. Tapped previous week high. Rejecting off previous week high, bro. This short might print. Baby. First short got stopped out from last night, but been in Sol since Friday. I've been in Sol for months. I've been in Sol for 180 days. Long and short. Printing every day, buddy. What Sol are you in? What kind of Sol are you in? And what's the leverage and size of your account? That's why I size small, so I have maneuverability. So if my entry sucks, if I enter short here and it sucks, I don't have to wait for like days and weeks. I can just add to it up here. add to it up here on these peaks, then my average entry becomes around here. And then I would have took back ammo here, and I would have added it back in here, and then I'd be in profit like I am almost right now. And I just do that over and over again. That's why less is more, man. When you use smaller size, you have ninja maneuverability. But not everyone likes trading like that. But if you're not taking stop losses, you might as well lower the leverage and size and learn how to ninja ride these waves, bro. Or respect your stop loss and re-enter, which is easier and harder. Depends how you look at it. But yeah, let me know if you're in a long or a short on solo, if you want. But I'm looking for it to go down anyway. Like short term. Long term, I'm still. I expect those daily oscillators to go to the top side someday. Someday. If there's any requests, you can drop them in the chat too. Dude, what if that Elliott wave indicator fucking called this too? That'd be cool. I called it first. Boom, boom, boom. Just kidding. I should take some profit probably right now. Not yet. Soon. Zcash just doesn't want to die. Take some more profit off my Zcash long. I'm gonna check Zcash too. Oh. Well, if you don't do leverage, you don't have to worry about it. You can't lose on. Yeah, I've been trying to get bullish for like a week now. Doesn't seem like it's happening. We just keep ranging and going down, ranging, going down, ranging, going down. Yeah, on the daily. See? So much room to the upside. Getting clipping, bull divs, blue dots. But it's not sending it. But it very well could. And probably will. Just like matter of time, right? But yeah, so I'm looking for a short. Oh, I'm in a short. Looking for it to print. I'd even be happy with just halfway here. Yeah, link, let's check it out. But yeah, big time frame, I'm looking for upside, but it could just float up there and we could just range. Oh shit. I have to be in profit now. Well, I don't have to be, but yeah, I am. I'm gonna take a nibble off this one, and we'll check out link. I'll stick to my rules, I'll take more off. My Zcash short is almost in profit. That's good, that's good. Just taking profit off my Solana short. Okay. I just want to see Zcash real quick and then I'll check out link. Yep. Oh, beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Look at that rejection wick. Dump it, dump it. Yeah, I like that. Let's check out link. I'd short link too. For the day. That's a tight stop loss for an alt. Let's see what kind of targets we get. Previous lows would be a good start. That's a 1 to 6. I wouldn't even look for more than that. That's a juicy trade right there. Let's check out the higher time frames just to double check. Could go up a little more. Could go up a little more. Or we could just go up and sweep the highs. Let's just check. This is ribbon curling over. Why is my money flow a weird color? Whatever. Check out the 1 hour. Just looking for these candles to get lighter. Yeah, that's good. I like that. Candles getting lighter. We're at the top end of the MACD, top end of the oscillator, top end of the primed RSI. These bottom two are free chart prime tools. Free chart prime tools that work very good. 30-minute. Yep. 15. Money flow divergence. See, money flow looks good though, eh? That's my only concern. But money flow usually does look good before it starts looking bad, so might be a good thing. Let's check out money flow on the 4 hour. Money flow good, money flow bad. Money flow good, bad, good for a sec, bad, good, bad. So yeah, we could get a little pump skier, maybe. But we're at... Been trying to navigate the smoke and mirrors, but you just fabricate your whole career. Procrastinated on your goals for years. Yeah, we could continue up. I'm looking for a continuation up on these large time frames, but just for the day though, I'm looking for a short. Your shit is trash, can't rap, and I wish you never tried it. I'm making fast transactions cuz my time is priceless. I'm looking past just for the day. Yeah, we're flipping bearish right now too. This cloud's twisting and flipping down. RSI got some wicks at the 82, and now candle turning red, pink, bearish. And the oscillator, this is just on the 15 though. We're getting a little potential goose head, but potential just flip of the ribbon to go down to the bottom end because we've been up here for a while, so might go down for a little pullback. Curtis Hill. You only use RSI? Good. This is the free RSI with Heikkanashi turned on. Candles. I like it. But yeah, RSI is a great momentum indicator. I like stochastic RSIs. I like the stochastics. Personally, I'm a stochastic guy. And MACD. If I had to pick two, I'd use these two right here. For free. That's what I'd do. But that's just me, bro. See when this cloud and we got tiny candles, the cloud's at the top, bam. Cloud at the top, tiny candles, bam. Tiny candles, cloud at the top or near the top, bam. Time will tell. Time will tell. Not much strength in these moves. It's a decent little move, but yeah, I'm looking for a pullback, you guys. That's what I'm looking for. I could pull a fib for some, do some fibonomics here. Do some fibonomics. If you want some upside targets. Yellow. So if we don't reject now, we could go there potentially. Let's check out a different fib. Let's check out a super local fib. If we're rejecting here, do some TPs.
Sometimes I still kind of feel like I'm stuck. I've been tired as fuck, but I can't sleep early in the morning. All I want to do is win.
That's where I'd take profits and pay attention to my trade. There, 12.56, 12.4, 12.277, 12.14, 11.9ish. And if we get stopped, I would try another short right here at 12.9, 13ish. I feel like we fill this wick though if we go that high. So I put the stop above that wick. Maybe a little sweep, raise it a bit. And then that would change everything. Well, it would change it like this. Roughly. And your TPs would be here. We should change the color. Change them to blue. Further from my friends, I'm coming home soon to visit everyone again. Until then, let it be known I'm ready to blow. I'm trying to leave a lasting imprint like memory foam. A little mixtape before the album. They never gave me no help, but they support that. Yeah, type of thing. I made a name for myself like I was born without one. Made a name for myself. Hope I can make someone else feel how I felt when I would hear my. If this one got stopped and this one hit, the blue lines would be the TPs. Pretty close to the same idea. But I'll just leave the one that I have on the screen active. And we'll see how it goes. So all you can do is make an educated guess and take a stab-a-roo. What indicator? Which one? Oh, it's a trading view, bro. Trading view premium Elliott wave indicator. See? Elliott wave. It's by Trading View. It's a premium Trading View indicator. Premium sub. Yeah. Yeah, that's cool. Let's check it out on this too. I don't know why it doesn't deliver on the 4 hour. Or maybe it did further back. See, nothing on the 4 hour. Let's check the 2. Let's figure this thing out. Nothing. Let's check out the 1 hour. Oh, now we got some waves. Does this mean it's at the end of a wave count and it should be starting a new one? Check out the 15. This is where we get some path prediction action. Sweet. 3 options. 382.5, 618 on this corrective wave. That would hit my TP 1 or 2. I'm good with that. Yeah. Yeah, let's keep testing this out too. Test it out on this one too. There. Let's test it out, see how good it does. Yeah, I tend not to chat on my phone when I'm on stream because I'm supposed to be paying attention to you guys on the stream. But yes, I will read the DM later. So, as soon as I get off, I will. This is struggling, but it's happening. It's totally happening. But anything is possible always. Remember that. I used to do high conviction setups and high conviction blah blah blah. No. High conviction is rare for me now. Now if I'd say high conviction for me now would be like when we have those crazy days. Like this. When this dumping happens like that, that's crazy dumpage. I would do a high conviction long somewhere down here. Or after these huge pumping days, I would have a high conviction short. That's the only time I get slightly high convicted, and even then, it's a toss up. But look, we filled this imbalance nicely. On these quick moves, how there's thin liquid, like thin volume, we have been chopping in these imbalances and filling them nicely. For continuation up, who knows? Who knows? Larger time frame, possibly, for sure. But I'm still leaning towards a short today. Can't just flip flop back and forth, right? But yeah, I still am. Because we're at the high end of this range too. Oh, Harpski brought jellies for everyone. Printing jellies in this bish. Oh, you're on a BTC short too? Me too. Thanks for the luck. I don't believe in... Well, no. I think luck is when preparation meets opportunity. Personally. That's my definition of it. Preparation meets opportunity. Just adding to my short. Because I already took profits on it. So now I'm just averaging my entry a smidge better. Because I'm leaning that way. Zcash just doesn't want to die. Let's check out Zcash again.
Man, I just wanna bloom. I just wanna bloom like some flowers. Stay groovy like my name, Austin Powers. Yeah, I'm working for those 10,000 hours. The game ain't for the faint of heart.
Oh, we're just filling this wick probably. Is that a 50%? Or are we gonna fill the whole thing?
Yeah, I'm working for those 10,000 hours. The game ain't for the faint of heart or the cowards.
Ooh, 2 minutes till Alexo Crypto. Will we fill the whole wick? I'm gonna put an order at the top of the wick.
Trying to cross the chasm, but I'm stuck in the canal. Exploring every inch to the end of that tunnel. What now? Yeah. Where do I step next? Feeling compressed, such a big mess. Why don't you stuff me in an envelope and hit the FedEx? And maybe send me somewhere sunny. Yeah, that's the best bet. Never been on bed rest, but I lay around in a puddle.
There.
Closing in on rock bottom. See, I'm
Might just be a 50% wick fill.
change up these vibes. Crack open the shutter, it's a
But in case we fill the wick, I got an order at the top.
in my brain. That's some shit I can't handle over and over again. Overthinking, I ramble about shit that don't matter. Return my mind to some shrapnel. Need to stop pouring.
Oh, I should have added to the. No.
Bloom like some flowers. Stay groovy like my name, Austin Powers.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you guys for coming. Thanks for coming to chill. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
Like my name, Austin Powers. Yeah, I'm working for those 10,000 hours. The game ain't for the faint of heart or the cowards. Some say success can't come too soon. So I've been
Yeah, we're pinging an anchored VWAP right now too on Bitcoin.
eyes covered when the bad guys loom. Now I know. Man, I just wanna bloom.
Losing momentum. Losing momentum. Solana shorts about to be in profit again. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with that, bro. Have a good day, everyone. I'll probably see y'all at Alexo Cryptos. And happy printing. Peace.
Let me write a song and I not worry about that marketing. Workloads is disheartening. Staying home, I'm guarded in. I'm frozen stuck. This game sucks. My life must be darkening. I'm trying to bloom, trying to blossom, trying to get good. Yeah, I'm trying to get awesome. I'm in so deep. Look what it cost them. They on my tail, then I must have lost them. I'm talking demons. I got demons out to get me. They trying to get even to kill my dreams. What I believe in, run me into the ground right through the cement. But I'll take a beating, emerging bleeding. Grab my squad and we merge a legion. Minds erected at what we reach. And we peeling out with those tires screeching. On the